Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Winky key holder for wall. This decorative key and mail holder with a shelf is the perfect solution to keep your entryway organized and stylish. With its large hooks for bags, coats, and umbrellas, you can keep track of your keys and other items in one central location. Made of strong and lightweight Paulownia wood, this key holder adds warmth and style to your foyer with its unique knots and grain patterns. What sets this key holder apart is its upgraded hooks, giving you more versatility of use. Whether it's reducing clutter in your home's entryway, holding coats in the office, or robes and towels in the bedroom, this key holder does it all. And the best part? It's easy to install with detailed instructions and mounting hardware included. Surprise a friend with this beautiful and convenient key hanger that complements any room aesthetic. So, if you're tired of searching for your keys or dealing with a cluttered entryway, click the link in the description to get your own Winky key holder for wall today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more organizational solutions and home decor ideas. Thanks for watching.